Hi everyone. So this is a 3-gallon tank. Whenever you guys get to see a 3-gallon tank, then the problem is a lot of people think that this is a really small tank and what can we do with it. It's often very difficult to feed a betta within a 3-gallon tank if you are a genuine aquarist, because I believe that a 5-gallon tank for a betta is like the bare minimum that you can have. I would always prefer them to put a betta in a 10-gallon tank. But I had this 3-gallon tank and I want to just project this idea to you that you can have a really nice tank like this. So starting from the plants, I didn't have a lot of options to put because it's not a big tank. So I got some Amazon source here, and I have these on the middle part, an Anubias non petite, as you can see here. And regarding the fishes, so I have 2 antler guppies. I'm not sure if I am telling the name correctly, but these are really small guppies, 2 male ones. I didn't keep any female because whenever they have a female, they keep breeding. This tank is not that big to have a lot of guppies here. I've kept 2 male, and a lot of people might also say that 2 male may not suit with each other, they will keep fighting. But these are the baby guppies that were born in my another tank, so they are brothers. I haven't seen them at all, so I haven't seen them fighting at all. And for others, regarding the bottom dwellers, this is my snail, and I have named him Toby. I don't know why I kept this name, I just call him Toby. And there is a shrimp here, a red cherry shrimp. I don't know where it is. Oh yeah, here you go. So this is my red cherry shrimp here. He's living here very peacefully. This is the only shrimp I have. I have a lot of other shrimps in another tank. I just brought one here. I just wanted to make the ecosystem and the animal diversity here in a good way. Also, I have these floating plants here. My shrimp, my red cherry shrimp, it really likes to hang on to these floating plants. And this small cave here with holes, this is for my shrimp. This kind of structure is necessary for any kind of shrimp because sometimes they molt and they need a place to hide. And I'm pretty much sure that this will work fine for my shrimp. This kind of cave with holes, they have worked perfectly for me in other cases where I could successfully breed a lot of shrimps. I have orange shrimps, the yellow shrimps, and also a lot of red cherry shrimps. So this is an experimental ecosystem that I have built in a 3-gallon tank. So if you don't know what to do with your 3-gallon tank, too small for the betta and too small for any other fish species, so you can build something like this. A couple of plants, different kinds of animals. As you can see, I have shrimps, I have 1 shrimp, I have snail, and 2 small guppies. This is like a dream come true for me because I always wanted to build something like this with different animal species in a natural tank within 3-gallon. Of course, I have a lot of other tanks. There's something different. And I have this air stone here, and I have a filtration system working on here. Actually, the flow of this filter is highly adjustable, so it's a mild flow so that everyone can walk or swim very easily. This is fluval stratum on the bottom, a really good substrate for growing plants. Nice full spectrum light to grow the plants. Altogether, a great combo, an animal kingdom for me.